Hi, I come today again to Nobel Ricole in Sukhumvit 19 because today we were informed that there are last 4 units available for sale, 2-bedroom units with a great discount, and also in addition to discount they provide, Nobel will provides full furniture package. So I come today to make a video and to show you this unit that available for amazing price of about 160,000 per square meter, 170,000 per square meter, depending on the floor, and it's only available in May or June. Only 4 units remain. Let's go see what it is. Hi, this is Jane from Nobel.
Yes.
I'm Win from REMAX. Jane, what we are going to see today?
Now I will go to actual unit. Is a 2-bedroom.
2-bedroom. How many square meter?
68 square meters.
68 square meter. And they come fully furnished, correct?
Yes. Yes.
And how many units remain for sale?
Now we have only 4 units for sale.
Question: foreigners, they can buy this unit?
No, one first hand.
Foreigners can buy this unit?
Yes, 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 yes.
So this is a foreign quota unit?
Yes, please.
Okay, so let's go see. This is a foreign freehold quota unit, Nobel Ricole Sukhumvit 19, fully furnished and special discount for COVID.
Yes.
Let's go see. Okay, we are going to see now one more unit on lower floor.
This
Yes.
one is 5 floor, yes.
Yeah, it's a 5th floor. So this unit, the same, it has a small kitchen here in the entrance. And most people don't even want bigger kitchen in Bangkok because they don't cook at home. Living in the center, you always have available food, and people don't like to cook at home in Bangkok. So this is a very nice, big, long living room. Again, it comes fully furnished. Window in the living room. South direction, nice view, greenery view on Terminal 21. There is a bathroom here in the living room, and this bathroom have also connected to bedroom, small bedroom here. This bedroom also have a balcony, and it has entrance to the bathroom as well. This is the bathroom, and a master bedroom, a bigger one, nicely decorated. Also have window in every bedroom and in living room. 3 balconies, built-in wardrobes, many wardrobes, and full bathroom with shower. All this is located in Sukhumvit 19, very central location in Asok. Nice view on Bangkok, only 400 meters to BTS Asok. From other side, it's a NIST International School, Watana School, Srinakarin Virut University, just a few hundred meters from here. This is the most central location in Bangkok, and you can buy a new condo, fully furnished. Amazing deal, 160 to 170,000 baht per square meter, and today it comes fully furnished by premium furniture, as you see now. If you're interested in this unit, please contact us. You can see contact details on the screen. And again, never forget to subscribe to our channel, to push notification button, and to push a like button. This way you will get alerts about new deals in Bangkok. Bye. Okay, we are meeting Kun Jane from Nobel Development. Sawadee Krap.
Nice to
Kun
meet you.
Jane, what is so good in Nobel Ricole?
Yes, it's very good location and it's very perfect area in Asok. Welcome to Thailand and Asok area.
Asok area. So we are very close to Terminal 21,
Yes,
to
maybe.
NIST International School,
Yes.
University,
Yes.
Robinson.
Yes.
Oh,
How
very-
many?
300 or 400 meters.
Yes.
What can you say about developer?
Developer.
Who is the developer?
Noble developer
So
ค่ะ
developer is Noble Development Public Company. As I know, it's one of the top developers, top 5 developers in Thailand.
Bangkok. Yes.
What is best for Noble? Quality?
Yes, quality is very nice and location is very nice too.
Okay, Noble always make a very good, provide very good quality of construction.
Yes.
And from my experience and experience of our property experts, a price for Noble condominiums always keep high, even not new building.
Yes.
Can I ask you a personal question?
Yes.
Do you watch our channel?
In the Bangkok
Collection.
Yeah.
What you can recommend to our visitors of Bangkok Collection channel?
Yes. It's very good Bangkok collection.
So people should like the video,
and subscribe.
subscribe,
Yeah.
and push notification button.
Yes. I hope
Yeah.
to see you everyone ค่ะ
And everybody, me and Kun Jane, we wish you to stay safe and healthy today.